Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade fried chicken. First, gather your ingredients, including a whole chicken cut into 8 pieces and a selection of common pantry spices. You'll also need buttermilk for a crucial soak. This initial preparation is key to achieving that tender, flavorful result we all love. Ensure everything is ready before moving to the next step for a smooth cooking process. Next, let's perfect that crispy coating. In a large bowl, combine your all-purpose flour with a secret blend of 11 herbs and spices to mimic that iconic taste. Take each chicken piece, ensuring it's well-drained from the buttermilk, and dredge it thoroughly in the seasoned flour. Press firmly to get a thick, even coating, which is essential for that satisfying crunch. Now for the frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or deep fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place chicken pieces into the hot oil, frying in batches to avoid overcrowding and dropping the oil temperature. Cook until each piece is a beautiful golden brown and reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safe eating. This step is crucial for both flavor and safety. Once your chicken is perfectly fried, remove it from the oil and let it rest on a wire rack for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and delicious. Serve your homemade fried chicken with your favorite classic sides, like creamy mashed potatoes and rich gravy, for a complete meal. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and to grab your little tree's black ice for a fresh car. Enjoy your incredible homemade feast.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.